Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable cache everything in Cloudflare. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to Cloudflare's website and log into your account. Now, navigate to your domain on the Cloudflare dashboard. You'll see a list of all the domains you manage. Click on the one you're working on today. This will take you to that domain's specific settings. Once you've selected your domain, look for the Caching tab or menu option. This is where the main action happens. Next, click on Cache Rules, which is where you can customize how your caching works. You'll notice an option to create rule. Click it to start configuring a new caching rule. We're going to enable the Cache Everything feature. Navigate through the available options and find Cache Everything. By selecting this, you're instructing Cloudflare to cache all parts of your website, including dynamic content. Once you've selected Cache Everything, the next step is to name your rule. Choose something descriptive, preferably related to the part of your site you're optimizing. After reviewing your settings and making sure everything looks good, click Deploy. This action will apply your caching configuration to your domain, allowing Cloudflare to handle user requests more efficiently and ensuring faster load times for users around the world. And that's it. So that is how you can enable Cache Everything in Cloudflare. So that's all for this video. Thanks.